Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have good news for everybody. WriterZen is back on the AppSumo platform. It is your SEO tool that can do topic research for you. You can do keyword research and write content here, and then do some content optimization as well. So overall, great tool. Few years back, I was considering to get this tool for myself, but it was gone from the platform already. And at that time, I bought Neuron Writer. And I think WriterZen would be a great addition to the tool set as well. So what do you get in the deal? For single code, you get 50 keyword lookups per day, topic lookups, you can write 50 articles monthly, 25,000 keywords checked per day, some credits for AI writing, 3,000 keywords limit on the import of the keywords. And what's great, that even with one code, you get 2 team members. And of course, when you buy more codes, you will get generous limits. So just briefly one more time, what is WriterZen? It is your topic discovery, keyword explorer, content creator, keyword planner, and you can do all of that with your team members. And as well, you can check your content for the plagiarism. So just briefly showing to you what the tool can do. This is the main dashboard, and again, you can see all the main parts here: topic discovery, keyword explorer, keyword planner with content creator course. So when you put a topic to the discovery, you can put anything here. And this is the example of the output. I have added the topic for weight loss indoor cycling. And here I am getting more suggestions for the relevant topics with search volume, with some headlines to consider, with some Google suggested questions. So in the first part, you can do topic research here. Then another part, and a very useful one, keyword explorer. Here's an example of the keyword: weight loss indoor cycling, and keyword suggest shows this search volume. So you just need to enter keyword here. I did that already, and here is the result. So you get the detailed statistic for a particular keyword, cost per click, search volume, of course, and additionally you get suggested keywords, which is great. And for each keyword, you can see the relevant data, the self-overview, and user interface is great. It is pleasant to use this tool. You can select keywords, then save to a particular keyword list for later processing. What else do we have here? Keyword clustering. I believe it will combine keywords by relevance. Let's activate that. And while we are waiting for our keywords to be clustered, let's take a look at another feature, golden filter. Let's do that as well. And I see that the golden score is being calculated. And you can find more details about this metric. But in short, it considers different parameters and it will help you to give more insights on how good this particular keyword is. This golden keyword ratio is specifically useful when you're starting and your website has low domain authority, so you will have better idea which keywords to target first. Alright, so clustering was finished and you can access that at the keyword planner. Here's our base cluster. And when you select that, you get the keyword planner. And here you can see several clusters which combines similar keywords like spin, plus, bad loss. So you can combine these topics and keywords and put those together in one article, for example. Okay, so let's proceed to the content creator. When you select a particular keyword, you will be able to write an article. And just to give you an idea, this article I created in one click. I didn't choose any headings, anything at all, and I was given this article. You can use built-in AI assistant for writing, but you can as well adjust steps during article creation. Like you can define which keywords to include, and later, of course, you will be able to adjust your content right here. To the right, we can see metrics for our article. And if we select keyword, we can see how many keywords were used. I think it is a bit less detailed than WriterZen. However, you can just select a keyword with good, for example, golden keyword ratio, with good search volume, and just start writing. Let's upload the article. Alright, so that's it for the review of WriterZen. I think it is more close or similar to Keyword Hero rather than WriterZen, because WriterZen, it is first content optimizer and then content writer, and WriterZen does not provide keyword research capabilities. And Keyword Hero as well as WriterZen provide keyword research capabilities, topic research, and you will be able to write content here as well. So overall, great tool. Just go and try this one for yourself. Please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.